And a tanween is a noon sakin which comes at the end of nouns. It is pronounced but not written. And tanween comes at the end, and noon sakin can come at the middle or the end.
Right, mashallah. So what are the shape of tanween?
Or a tanween can be 2 fatha, 2 fatha, 2 kasra, and 2 dhamma, and
right.
a noon sakin.
Yes, and then the shape of sukoon.
A sakoon is just like a small circle on the top of the letter.
Yes, okay. Like small dal or small zero in English.
Yeah.
Okay.